Stop. All right. Hi, everyone. My name is Ressy. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time watching, please subscribe, like, and share. If this is not your first time, thank you for watching once again and welcome to my channel. So today I am going to be reviewing the best water bottle that you can get for your child. If you have a child in daycare, a toddler, a preschool, this is the water bottle for you. So let me tell you, when I was sending my kids to school, which is daycare, I was dreaming of getting them a water bottle that is easy to carry, a water bottle that is easy to clean, a water bottle that does not have BPA in it, a water bottle that is not going to build mold easily, and a water bottle that is not going to leak water everywhere when they're drinking from it, okay? So these were one of the reasons I chose this bottle. This bottle, when I first got it, I actually had to learn how to function it. The first time I put water in there for my child, good child, the water is like saturated his top because I did not close it the right way. So if you don't close this bottle the right way, it's going to leak everywhere. But if you close it the right way, it's not going to leak. So after that week, I was able to figure it out, and I fell in love with this bottle. I bought this bottle from Amazon for $13. I'm going to put the link below so you can click on it if you would like to try it. This is not a sponsored post. This is not a sponsored review. This is just something that I'm going to bring to you guys that I love in my household. So I'm going to be also reviewing anything that I fell in love with, that I purchased and I fell in love with. I am also going to be reviewing it on this channel. So subscribe so you don't miss all those goodies. So how do you use this bottle? Let's get to this fast. So you see that I filled it up with water. To open it, you go this way. So when I filled the water in, I didn't close it properly because I want to show you guys how easily it is for this to leak, okay? So unfortunately, this is not how you're supposed to do it. But unfortunately, when you put in the little blue thing in there, you squeeze this little tube inside here, and then you close it. And when you close it, this is how I did it the first time, and the water actually leaked everywhere. Like, it was crazy because I didn't set it up the right way, right? So look, you're going to see, I'm just going to tilt it a little bit, and you're going to see how the water is going to leak. You see that? That is absolutely not how this functions, right? So for this not to leak, the right way to set it up is you open it. So it comes in 4 pieces, right? This is one of the pieces. And then it has this blue thing here. You can also take this out when you want to wash it. So it comes out from this little hole right here, you know, so you can pull it out from the inside and take it out. This actually can fit through here, and you squeeze it out and pull it out. But the most important thing to prevent leakage is to make sure that this little piece hanging out here goes to the right place. So where does it go? It go right here in the center here. So you're supposed to turn it around so that it can push in, and then it stays right here. So this little piece is going to be aligned to this hole right here. And then this little hole right here, that's where this little tube goes. So you plug it in here. That's it, right? And then you attach it in here and just screw it in. And look, this is the right way to set it up. And then you put it like this and there's no leakage. You put it like this, there's no leakage. Even when you close it, there's no leakage. To open it for your child to drink from it, which is this little tube right here, you just press on it and it opens, and your child just suck on it and the water comes out easily. So your child can suck from it and the water comes out because the little mouth here is open. You see it? It's open, and that's where the water comes out from. Just to keep this clean, after your child drinks from it, they just kind of tilt this little thing up like this and it closes and they can just hold it. To tell you the truth, I love this bottle. This bottle is, ooh, I love it. And to clean it up, every time my child gets home, I clean the bottle. Please, please, please do not put juice or milk or smoothie in this and not wash it off after drinking from it, because that's what's going to cause mold. I only put water in here for my son. I don't use this for nothing else but water. But am I going to maybe use it for smoothie or juice? Yes, I can. The only thing is just that after using it, don't leave it overnight. Don't leave it to the next day, because of course it's going to have some particles of juice or smoothie in there if it's not water, and then it's going to like get hardened and build up mold, and then you're gonna be like, oh, this builds up mold. No, sis, you need to clean it as soon as you use it. That's it. Clean it as soon as you use it, and I mean, you will not even dream of having a mold or anything nasty in here. But this is just my honest review. This is the best bottle you can get for your toddler or for your preschooler, because I have tested it and I'm telling you, I love it. And I'm sure you're going to love it. I purchased this once again for $13 on Amazon. I'm going to put the link below, so feel free to click on it, read about it, try it if you can, and let me know what you think. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and also subscribe for more goodies to come. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye. See you later. Bye.